Hare Krishna. So in late 1967 or early 1968, Prabhupada came to the west coast of the United States, first to San Francisco, but then we thought there should also be a temple in Los Angeles, because Los Angeles is a more prominent and larger city than San Francisco. So in the middle of the geography of Los Angeles is Pico Boulevard, and we rented a storefront there for the temple. And for Prabhupada, we rented a 3-room apartment that was nearby the temple, nearby the Pico Boulevard temple. So in that place where Prabhupada was, I was alone with him, and just the two of us, and Prabhupada asked me what I wanted to be in the spiritual world, and I didn't know what to say. So I said, well, I want to be Krishna's friend. And then he just didn't say anything. So I asked him, I said, well, what do you want to be? And he said, I want to be Krishna's friend. And that was the end of that conversation. Hare Krishna.